Title: The 2025 Financial Roller Coaster. What happened and what's next? 2025 was a year that no one saw coming. From shocking market turns to inflation surprises, from crypto crashes to banking scandals, it was a financial roller coaster. But what does it all mean for you? Let's break it all down, because whether you're investing, saving, or just trying to stay afloat, the moves made in 2025 will impact your future. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have the insights you need to stay ahead in 2026 and beyond. Let's start with the big one, the economy. Many expected a recovery from 2024's turbulence, but instead, we got a mix of surprises. Interest rates remained volatile, inflation played tricks on us, and global events sent shockwaves through markets. The IMF projected a moderate slowdown, but did it actually happen? Let's break it down. Inflation started the year cooling down, but midway through, energy prices spiked, forcing central banks to rethink their rate policies. That affected everything: stocks, real estate, even crypto. If you thought rate hikes were over, 2025 proved that assumption wrong. The S&P 500 had a wild ride this year. Tech stocks, once invincible, faced regulatory pressure. AI companies saw both massive gains and shocking losses. And let's not forget the unexpected industries that boomed. Some of the biggest winners? Energy, defense, and, surprisingly, pharmaceuticals. But the biggest loser? Speculative tech and over-leveraged startups. Investors who chased hype without fundamentals got burned. Crypto had its moments of glory and disaster. Bitcoin started the year strong, even hitting new highs. But then, regulations hit hard, causing sudden sell-offs. Meme coins? They had their run, but only a few survived. DeFi projects also saw a shakeup. Some thrived, while others disappeared overnight. So, what does this mean for 2026? If you're still in the crypto space, get ready for major shifts. Housing markets continued their unpredictable trend. Some cities saw skyrocketing demand, while others faced price corrections. High interest rates made mortgages painful, but did home prices actually drop? Millennials and Gen Z kept pushing into homeownership, but affordability remains a nightmare. The rental market? That's a whole other story. Rents kept rising, and some markets became nearly unlivable. 2025 wouldn't be complete without some jaw-dropping financial scandals. From corporate fraud to banking failures, there were plenty of moments that shook confidence in the system. One of the biggest? It rocked the markets and left investors questioning everything. So, what does all of this mean for 2026? Will interest rates finally stabilize? Will AI stocks make a comeback? Is crypto done for good? Here's what you need to watch. 1. Central banks' next moves. 2. The fate.
Here's what you need to watch. 1. Central banks' next moves. 2. The fate of struggling industries. And 3. The regulatory crackdown on digital assets. These will define the next year in finance. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I'll be diving deeper into 2026 predictions, market insights, and how you can make smarter financial moves. Comment below, what surprised you most about 2025's financial chaos? Let's discuss.